Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to plot geo datasets, geographic datasets using MATLAB. So let's see here. I have some figures. I have plotted this file, a population map of China, yes, population of Chinese cities. You can see the red bubbles and some orange bubbles and also some yellow bubble. So it is in the legend you can see it is minimum is 679 and up to 2.21 cross 10 to the power 7. So its severity is high is the red one, and medium is orange, and low is the yellow one. Similarly, I have plotted another figure. It is coronavirus related deaths. So you can see here, after plotting this figure, the United States and North America and South America here, and you can see in India also there is a lot of corona related deaths. So you can also see it's a high in red and medium is in medium deaths. You can say in orange, and the yellow labels is far low number of deaths. So you can also see that it is the size of bubble is also increasing continuously from let's see, from Russia there is a orange bubble, but it is a little bit smaller than in India. So it is showing that in Russia there is less deaths, but in the India there is more deaths. And similarly you can move up to in United States, and you can also see the bubble is increasing too, and its size is also increasing. So our main agenda is how to plot this type of graphs for your data sets. You can also plot this type of data set for precipitation. The precipitation amount per your station is also representing in this way, and that will look more better in your research works. So let's move how to plot this type of graph in MATLAB. So it is our main MATLAB window. So we will click here. First of all we will go to locate our folder where is our data set is located. So I will my data is located in our desktop here and in enterprise collection software folder. So I will click on my working folder. So you can see it's China population in Excel file, and similarly COVID deaths is also located here, and Honor data is also here. So today in this video we will plot COVID related deaths using MATLAB. So after moving toward your directly, so let me show you my data file. You can also arrange your data files according to that. So here in the by extraction folder you can see COVID deaths. So no matter how where is your columns are located, in the actually the problem is the name of your column should be similar to the name you provide in the MATLAB to read it accurately. So here you can see in my Excel file the first column is latitude, and second column is longitude, and similarly the third one is depth. So it that can be replaced by your meteorological websites, or depending upon your type of data you are using. So for me here is latitude, longitude, and depths. So I will just close it. So it will ask me to save. It depends on us if we save it or not. So I am going to don't save, because I already have that's the data in my Excel file or CSV file. So first of all in MATLAB we need to upload our CSV data. So we have not started our coding yet. So I will click on new script here. So it will open a new script, MATLAB. So if we first just need to read our file, read our CSV file such as COVID death. So let me show you how to read it. first of all we have to name it as you can name it death COVID. Similarly, it is just an assumed name, not any coding type names. So that's COVID is equal to need to you can see is equal to read table. So which table we are going to read? It is named as you can see COVID dot that's dot CSV. So we will write its name here, name of our Excel or data file. So COVID dash that's dot CSV. So we will enclose it here like this one, and we will just check to run it if it will work. So it will ask us to save our code first. So I'm just changing its name to covid1.m. so let's run it. Pressing run button. So you can see it has 280 rows and 3 columns. First row is for latitude, second for longitude, and third one is for deaths, number of deaths. So first of all we have to name our map. So I'm going to name it as GeoBubble mapping. So GB is equal to, you can type as GeoBubble map. So just add a bracket and type the name of your folder, sorry, data file. Such it is data file or table death COVID, death COVID. It should be the same as this one, DEATH COVID, and just set the same. So just click on add a place a comma here, latitude. First the name of first column is latitude, and similarly the name of second column. In this way you can place you can see the location of your points. So latitude, longitude, and just close it and run it. So just for run purpose we need to select it this row and run. So it will start running. So it's our plot. So you can see the location of your points on the map. So latitude, longitude, and if you click somewhere in your point, it is showing that it's latitude, longitude, and row number. So it's not our purpose. We have to do some other work to show the frequency of death. So it is just showing location, not the frequency. So for that purpose we will again use this code downward here. You can see can paste it here. Okay, so it's same as latitude, longitude, and now we have to add our variable size. So let's see. Not now have to add colon, this one, and its size variable, size size variable, and comma, the size of your, now you place the size of your variable, such as the name of your third column, it is deaths. So just close it and let's see. So you can see it is still in green, so it is not yet able to work. So I will click on place it in down window. Okay, so it is now code is complete. So we will just select it and run it. Now you can see the bubbles are showing and its magnitude also. The first figure was only showing its you can see its location, and now it is the bubble size is also changing. Its severity, I mean to say, to give its name such as low, medium and high dot. And so here is the name of your file, and we need to place dot, and after pressing dot you need to give the name of our third column. So third column is deaths. Size variable is also that, so it is also deaths. So now we have to place a comma and capital brackets. We have to need to set its range. So first I am going to name as 0, and second one is you can see 1 lakh, and again space. Next one is 5 lakhs, and again space, and the third one is maximum. You can place as up to 30 million or something like that. Maximum value, doesn't matter how much it is. So again comma down. Now it's categories, categorical. So for categorical, CATEGORI, categorical, like this one. So we are going to name it as low and sorry, comma, again medium, sorry, low, medium and high. Just enclose the brackets. GB dot color variable is equal to severity. You can see we have set severity low, medium, high. So now we are going to color it. The color will represent the severity such that this one. Let's see, now we will plot it again. Now you can see the color is also representing here, but you can see the high one is yellow, orange, and medium is in red form, so it's not the required format. So you can change it also. Let's again move back to our codes. Now we will choose the color type. So GB dot bubble color list. There are a lot of color lists available in the Google. You can check it. So I am going to use autumn for this case. Autumn is actually starting from yellow and moving toward red one. So there are 3 classification. So I put 3. And let's now run it again. So let's see how will it work. Okay, now you can see it is changed from yellow to red, but actually we are going to show that where the deaths are more should be in red or should be in dangerous zone. That's why it should be red. So I need to change the change the order of this figure, this figure. So I have now placed it. So we need to change the order of these severity indices. We want red should be high and similar. So let's move toward its our figures. Okay, here's our coding. So how can we reorder it? So we can use new order is equal to brackets. We can place as high, medium, and low, like this, and close the brackets and just place a semicolon at the end. So we have done a new order, and choose something like again GB. Yes, we should change source, so stable dot severity, and we have to use reorder crafts, reorder cats is GB dot source table dot severity, comma, new order. Let's close it, and okay, let's see is it changed or not. So you can see its order is also changed. Now we have to add some titles. We can add title here. Let's see, write down window. Okay, so we will run it again. This one. So to start running, you can notice here. So here is the deaths. Start working. So color is also representing, and title is equivalent to deaths, people died, and severity here. So now there is a problem. You can also change the size of bubbles, and also change its colors, and also modify other things in the graph. So just click here in this tab, or you can see clicking here, it is open property inspector, so it is initializing. So you can see the bubble width range is 5 to 20. We can modify it at 5 to 40, and press enter. So if we press enter, the bubble size change. So you can also change its colors by adding a little bit in code. So if we have choose here autumn, there are also some color types you can see from the internet, and change it from that. Let's see, I am going to write as instead of autumn we will write a jet, like that, jet into 3 again. So now we will run it. Let's see. So after changing to jet, you can notice here its file is a color will be changed. So let's see, you can now notice that it is in blue and yellow and something like that. So the previous one was better in the current situation, so I will choose autumn. Okay, so we'll run it again. Now we have, if we want to change the background of our image, we can also change it. So let's click here, 540, done, enter, and okay. So in this you can find map. Let me show you again. Click here, is plotting. So you can see the color maps from here. It's parallel, and I am using autumn, so it is yellow to red and something like that. So you can choose from this color types. So for backgrounds, you can change background from map. So click on map here, and map layout is normal, and you can see base map. So there are a lot of base maps here. So it is already straight light is selected. If you go to dark water, let's see how it look. You can see the background is changed and it is converted into dark water. Similarly, you can use some other, try the best one which you like the most. So street dogs, let's see. So it is loading. So your internet should be connected when you are using these type of base maps, because it is directly taking these base maps from internet. Or you can also add in to your MatLab by searching it from MatLab add-ins button. So you can see the map is under black background. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe it, and subscribe my channel, and share my video to your friends. Thanks a lot.